Hey guys, Zach, aka Star Wars Uncovered here. Hope you checked out my friend KB's channel. Great channel, but I'm gonna get into this video real quick. Why does Grievous cough so much in Revenge of the Sith? Now there is a Legends answer for this, and I will go into it. But it's headcanon to me. So if you noticed, in Revenge of the Sith, Grievous coughs a lot for some reason throughout the film, and it's like a hoarse, rough cough. And a lot of people don't know the reason behind this, but we can actually find it in Legends. So I'm just gonna show a quick video of Grievous coughing if you don't know this, what it sounds like.
What's the situation, Captain? Just as Count Dooku predicted.
Well, if you didn't already know, we actually found out the reason why Grievous coughs in the 2003 to 2005 Clone Wars series, which if you haven't watched that already, go and give it a watch. It's like 2 or 3 hours long, the whole series, but it's just amazing. And at the end, we see like a battle on Coruscant where Grievous goes down to Coruscant, kidnaps the Chancellor, then brings him back up. So the Chancellor gets kidnapped by Grievous and he fights a bunch of Jedi, and he eventually escapes. But what happens is Mace Windu crushes like his abdomen, and this is why he has a cough. And I'll play that clip now if you guys haven't seen it already. It's super sick, but it explains in Legends. Well, this Clone Wars series is now Legends under Disney, but in my head it's canon. So I'll show you the clip now if you haven't already seen it. So here is General Grievous trying to escape, and he fights Mace Windu. Uses Force Crush. As you can see. Takes him really bad. But can't catch him in time. This is sweating at the top. So yeah, pretty cool. Explains why he has a cough. But yeah, that really hurt him. But this is right before the Revenge of the Sith. So people who saw Revenge of the Sith in theaters likely saw the Clone Wars series beforehand. So it just plays into all the Clone Wars. So it all ties into each other. So if you didn't know that already, that's pretty cool. Please give me a like. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn notifications on, and may the Force be with you.